Next is the conditioning treatment. It's by Olaplex. It repairs and strengthens all hair types. Let's see with the light. I think if I show you here. Okay, so it's number 3, and it's part of the whole Olaplex hair system. Use 1 time a week for damaged hair, 2 to 3 times per week. Apply to damp or towel dry hair. Apply generous amount from scalp to end hair. Leave on for 10 minutes and then rinse. So obviously I can't show you this because you do it when you're in the shower. So basically you have to leave it on for 10 minutes and then you have to rinse it out. So this is something I'd add to your calendar for like your hair care routine so that you can keep track of like when you're using it. And it says 2 to 3 times per week for damaged hair and 1 time a week if your hair is healthy.